In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tab groups in Google Chrome. If your browser is overflowing with tabs and it's getting hard to find what you need, tab groups are a simple way to organize your work and clear visual clutter without closing anything important. By the end, you'll know how to create a group, label and color it for quick recognition, add tabs to it, and collapse or expand everything with a single click. Start by looking at any open tab along your top bar. Right-click on that tab and choose Add Tab to New Group. This instantly creates your first organized cluster. You'll see a small colored indicator and a group label area appear. Think of it like a flexible folder that lives in your tab strip. It doesn't move files or save anything elsewhere. It simply gathers related tabs together so your workspace feels calmer and more intentional. Next, give your group a name and pick a color. Clear, short names work best, like work, research, or shopping. The color is more than decoration. It's a fast visual cue when your eyes scan across dozens of tabs. Choose different colors for different projects or contexts to make it effortless to spot the right set at a glance. Now let's add more tabs to that group. You can simply drag any other open tab into the colored area of the group until you see it join. If dragging feels fiddly, right-click another tab and assign it to your existing group from the menu. Either method works the same way. As you gather related pages, documents, references, emails, or dashboards, you'll feel the chaos start to recede. Everything lives together in one clearly labeled lane. Here's the best part for saving space. Click the group name once to collapse the entire set into a single, compact button. Your tab strip instantly shrinks, and you get breathing room for whatever you're focusing on right now. When you're ready to dive back in, click the group name again to expand it and bring every tab back into view. Nothing gets closed or lost. You're just toggling visibility to match your attention. That's all you need to get organized. Create a group, name it, color it, add the tabs you need, and collapse or expand with one click. A clean browser is a fast browser, and these small habits add up to a smoother day. Try setting up groups for your current project, your reading list, or your personal errands, and enjoy a calmer, more focused Chrome experience. You're all set. Done.